Let's review some developer portfolios. I asked on Twitter what portfolios people have, so then we can review it. Those of you watching on YouTube, just keep in mind that this is live on Twitch, and we're reviewing everything live, so it might be prone to error. And I might be chatting with the chat, so just keep that in mind. But still, hopefully this should be useful for you. Reviewing developer portfolios, we're going to learn to see what developers have on their website, and maybe you can use that to create your own special fancy website and portfolio. All right, hello Anna and me, hi. Good, so I've seen some, so this, I'd start with this very liked one. Look at that, 50 likes. So this should be powerful. Okay, Kyle Shook. Hopefully I pronounced that right. It has a Twitter handle there. That's interesting. So you can click and go directly on his Twitter. That's nice. I like that. It feels unique. I know he had a portfolio which was close to what I had. So yeah, then he changed it. Rating websites you will want to show off. Hi, I'm Kyle, front-end developer and freelancer. Scroll down to see some of my work, and if you like it, like more details, head you this way. Oh, let's see what happens here. So you can see here it has a list of images. Look at all those micro interactions with the animations and all that. Nice. He's been doing a lot of stuff in 2019 and 20. I like that. Okay. Want to know more about what inspires me? Let me make this big. So then, or maybe that's too big. Let me make it like this, so then you can see the bottom too. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. YouTube API, entertaining photography, and about. Nice, I like that. You can see it has a form and you can reach out, and it also has, well, why are we reaching out? He's also an influencer, I think you can call that, on Twitter. Yeah, 15,000 followers, so that's why maybe some will request a question. Yeah, so the numbers game is not working. I stopped it. Okay, he has a blog. I like all the interactions here, pretty nice. It has a blog, some posts. And this is a background pattern I see. It's kind of clean. Yeah, nice. I really like this. And a contact, I guess, is the same form. Yeah, and it has it on the main page too. So it has the form multiple times. Yeah. All right, how do you like the chat? How do you like this portfolio? Give it a grade, I think, from 1 to 10. Let me do a quick poll. I guess it can do for 10 numbers, so just say in the chat. 1 to 10. How much you like it? 10. Yeah, it's really good. It's way better than what I have. 9. It has a little too much animations for me. Yeah, I guess it doesn't feel too much to me though. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, good. So we reviewed this. Let's give it a like. Now let's see. There's so many. I think There are 100 reviews. By the way, those of you in the chat, do you have a portfolio? Put the link and then we can review your portfolio live. Okay, Matt Shafi. I'm bad with names. Okay, hi, I'm Matt from England. I'm a software engineer. Vue and Feathers. Never used it. Okay, this is my personal space. I think this is more like a blog. Okay, yeah, so it's more like a blog, not necessarily a portfolio. But a blog is a very good thing to have, to share the things you're learning, the things you know, and you never know who will find you through your blog. Because after a while, in the beginning, it doesn't really get you views, but with time, if you keep pushing, then Google will pick it up, and search engines will pick it up. And you never know when you get on Google on the first page for some keys, and you'll get some clients. I got that on some posts I had on my blog. So that's good, but it takes time, 6 months, a year. So just put it there on a blog, create a simple blog, and write down, even if you're learning. So it doesn't have to be, I mean, it should be the best you can do at the time, but if it's not perfect, it's fine. Just maybe improve it later. And even if you're at the beginning, so don't worry about, okay, what I can say is just learning. Think about the fact that others are at the beginning too. So they might look at your journey and get inspired. So yeah, never underestimate a blog. Or you can start posting on Dev too. So that's good. All right. Yeah, I went too far there. Patrick Obermeyer. Creating fresh and fast web apps and sites with passion. Okay. All right, we have some animations here. We have the projects, the technologies used. I like that. So you can see exactly what technologies are used. Yeah, you have the hover over and sees exactly, if you don't know, it sees exactly what the technologies are. First, professional work excerpts. And I kind of like this 3D look of it. You see it's kind of tilted to the right and to the left. Nice. Nice. Okay, but what's... So, personal projects. Okay, so that's personal project and it's professional work. All right, I see. It has a form /uses. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So I guess it has people following. So, oh, okay. So uses. Oh, so they're just the libraries, extensions. All right, nice, interesting. I don't have a /uses. Okay, you can contact. Oh, it's a one-page app. Yeah. We have email here and the social links and portfolio. It's interesting, that button there. It's like a call to action button. So you go to the portfolio. All right, good. It seems to have the best work. So yeah, that's one thing I've seen. If you have a portfolio, at the beginning, it's fine to add like all the projects you're doing because they might be small, but the time you advance, maybe you should remove the smaller projects which are not very... So think of your portfolio as... so when someone goes to your website, your portfolio, there's the first thing they see about you. What would you want them to see? Isn't it the best work you've done? What's your opinion? A single page app or multiple? Question from the chat. I like single page apps. Multiple page, whatever works. I don't think there's a standard or something. I guess anything works. All right, let's give this a like. Okay, here we have a portfolio on GitHub. Good. Now, one thing to note here. If you can, I would suggest you buy your own domain. It will cost you like $10. Let's go to GoDaddy, just one website where you can buy domains, and I don't think it's the cheapest. Thank you for the follow. We have to. So let's see, Brian Gillen. Sorry if I mispronounce your name. And let's make it .com. And I'll tell you why. So let's see how much it would cost. Okay, it shows me in my own currency, which I don't want that. So 19 runs, it's like $4. $4 or $5. So it's not much. I think usually a domain name is like $10. And I don't know, maybe on GitHub is not that bad to have your name.github.io. But I've seen people having their websites on things like your name.000webhost.com or something. For me, that's not very professional. So for $10, you can buy a domain name and you can link it to, I think you can link it to GitHub pages. I'm not 100% sure, but you probably can. But you can definitely link it to Netlify. And there you can upload your static website. So portfolio should, I don't think you need more than a static website. Even if you have a blog with today's technologies, you can make it static, a static website. So yeah, that's one thing I would do to make it look more professional. Okay, you have the education. So this is more like a CV. When I say education, I think, yeah, an experience. Everything what you did here. Okay, let's see skills. Yeah, this is what I wanted to say. Some people have on the skills like a progress bar saying like 80% JavaScript. What's that? What's 80% of JavaScript? What's 70% of CSS? Don't add those. This is okay. So you know HTML, CSS, you know Bootstrap, you know JavaScript. Now there's another thing that people do. They kind of, when you do a hello world in Vue, then you put it on your resume. I know Vue. I would not do that, but other than that, it's fine. Thank you for the bits, Danny. Thank you very much. All right, let's see. I think in some situation it might be better to have a multi-page website. The New York Times. Yeah, that we're talking about developer portfolio now. So yeah, for sites like that, sure, it might be okay. But for portfolios, it can be something like you see here. This is a static website. So basically, you just have multiple screens and you show them, which is fine. Okay. .me domain is okay. Sure. Yeah. .me.io. Whatever. You can. Hey, Katalin. Welcome. You can have. I guess I would do Florin.pop. If that works, sure. Why not? It's just. It looks more professional to have a custom domain. Maybe it's not, but yeah. Look, .dev. This is very fancy. It's something new. Did we review this? No. Okay. Hello, I'm Matt Hughes. Now, I won't, I think I didn't mention this, but I won't judge the design aspect because I'm not a designer. We're just going to look at, can we find what we would need? Now, this loads slow for some reason. Not sure why. Okay. It's kind of slow, maybe it's my Mac. Can you go to the link? Let me put in the chat. Go to that link and see. Is it slow for you too? For a static website, so the good thing usually with a static website is that it should be fast. So client or recruiter might find your information fast. I think Mihai didn't like the animations on the previous website we seen is that because it takes some time to get to where you want to be. So yeah, it's pretty laggy. Who knows? Maybe he has some scripts in the back. Okay, let's see. This. Rednarush, yeah. Oh, look at that. I like that. Okay, it says programmer, it says what he is doing. Okay, good. What's this? Wants to use a microphone. Should we allow it? I don't know what's this. It doesn't say, so maybe tell us what's this? Okay, I'll do it. Hi. Hello. Yeah, doesn't seem to do anything. Let's see the console. Maybe it has something in the console. Maybe he was doing something.
Let's see the console.
Oh. Okay. Voice recognition is on. Hello, Surrender. Can you hear me? Alright. Not sure what's happening though. Say blog. Blog. Show blog. Show me the blog. Does it work? Hey, show me the blog. I like the idea. That would work. It would say, oh, maybe I need to click it. Show me the blog.
Show me the blog.
Okay, so it's just reading it when we click. Okay, at least we find out what's doing. Hey, Surrender, we checked your website.
I surrender, we check the website.
That's fun. Okay, the blog is under construction. Please visit my previous articles here. Okay, so he has a blog in another subdomain. That's good. Projects. Done and dusted. Precise typer. Okay, so the projects are on GitHub. Oh, we need to log in. I think it's backend too, so it needs authentication. That's good. Typer redner.in. Okay. Oh. We help you type precise and faster in a fun and intuitive way. Sure. How? Tasco. Strator. Startor. Hydrocaritachi. That's Latin. Makel. Okay, you completed 5 words with 9 misspelled characters in 20 seconds. There is always room for improvement. Okay, so yeah, that's interesting. Good, so 2 projects. I don't know, maybe. So, not sure where his level is at. Maybe add some more projects and tell what kind of skills you have. Maybe, it's just an idea. Okay, let's see this. Let me like this so we know we've seen that. Nice to meet you, I'm Luis, full stack dev. Hello, Luis. CodePen. Okay, so these are, oh, nice. Things with CSS, I guess. Nice. Full stack student at Coder Academy, Sydney. Oh, hello, Sydney. Okay, so GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, CodePen. Okay, about, is it something else or is it, yeah. This is what I had to, I had the about and be the homepage. Alright, it says the text there. Okay. One thing I see there, where is the tag, see CSS plugin front end, I would fix that ending border. Let's fix it. It bugs me. So that, yeah, it has an after. Let's see. So this after, li after. Okay. So what we want is to say li after, not, I think, li not less children, less of type, I guess. Let's see, less of type after. And let's use this on this. So basically you can use this selector. And now, yeah, so you add the border, but not for the last one. Just a simple improvement. Louise, if you see this, just add that code. I think you know what to do. If you loved my work, I'd love for you to get in touch. Email me. Okay, good. It's simple. It's clean. The blocks here, they're not aligned for some reason. I don't know what. Maybe it's a design thing. I'm not good at design, so I can't judge that. Good. So it's nice. Okie dokie, let's go to the next one. Look at my buddy Jatin. Let's see what you have there. Okay, so the same thing. If you can, buy a domain name and put your website on a custom domain name. It shouldn't be much. Maybe you can find some discounts. Background. All right, skills, projects. Okay, good. It's simple. It's clean. You have the links here. All right. Yeah. Look at that, dark and light theme. Nice, I like that. Good, and over time you can increase the background. And yeah, good. Add more projects. I like it. It's simple and clean. Good job. Good job to you. All right, let's see, Jack. Jack Gannon. I'm a designer and developer based in Phoenix, Arizona. AZ is for Arizona, right? Oh, look at that. It has scroll events. The only problem is the white space on landing, says Qualo. For which website? The previous one? For Jatin? Hey, Sean. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, so it has scroll events. You don't have to click these buttons here. You can see them. Yeah. You can just scroll. Nice. What I've noticed though, what's this? Oh, blog. If you scroll too fast, yeah, it's, I don't know. It's harder to notice that. But yeah, what I do, learn more, skills services, US. Okay, so this goes to another website. Oh, nice table-like layout. Okay, this is the logo. Nice, you have a logo. That's pretty cool. And CV resume. All right. So I would say this is a very well-rounded portfolio. You get everything about Jack. It has a custom domain, which I like. It has a blog. Maybe add some more blog posts. And the contact form. Yeah, nice. I like that. And these are links. Pretty well done. The only issue here, well, at the first site, right? When I scrolled, I didn't know what happened. Everything changed. But other than that, it's very good. So that's just something for me. Maybe it's not an issue for someone else. I didn't know what happened when I scrolled on. I was expecting things to just slide and to see them slide. But then everything disappeared and was like, whoa, what's happening? Okay, good. I like that. Let's go to this one. Which websites did you like so far? In the chat, let me know. Portfolios. Okay. Hey, I am Fab, front-end web developer. Know more about me. Yeah, so that goes here. Okay, projects. All right. It has a lot of projects here. Contact me. Connect with me, not contact me. Email, GitHub. All right, good. So it has. Oh, and this is expandable. Oh, nice. Good. So I kind of like this idea. So it has like, how do you call this, excerpt? And when you click, then you get the full text if you want to read about what she's been doing. Nice. Good, well done. Kumar, let's see what Kumar has been doing here. Yeah, .me, you see? So .me works, .io, .dev, .com, .co, .pop. They should add that. Alright, it looks pretty clean. Technologies I work with. A lot of technologies. Projects I've worked on. Shows the project and a brief description, that's good. Nice, chat with me and my friends at Kumar on Discord. Oh, good, so you have a community. Nice. YouTube, do you have a YouTube channel? Let's see. 404, okay, so maybe you should fix that. Are you blogging on DevTube? Okay, good. Yeah, so that's... And it has a dark mode. It's just me, or it feels like dark mode is the new responsive on mobile website thing. So back in 2014, 13, every website was moving to being mobile responsive. So it feels like this like dark theme is the new thing that's similar to that. Although it's good, I like it. Especially because we're browsing a lot in the evening, so having a dark theme is very good. Okay. We're not dealing now with, so it has, I have a question. How would you animate a border on spin? I don't know yet, I need to check it out, but I think you can use SVG. Yeah. Okay, good. Subscribe. Me subscribe. Oh, so it has a newsletter, good. Yes, you can paste your URL here. Make sure it doesn't have viruses. Okay, so let me wait then for the URL from the chat. If you have portfolios in the chat, let me know. Put the links and I will review them. As you can see, it's not, I'm not bashing anyone. That's not what I want there. Telmo, my buddy Telmo. Let's view his website. Telmo Code and Design. This is my buddy's website, right? Let me go to Telmo here. Thank you for the follow. Come on, Twitter, load faster. Telmo. Oops. This is not. Where's my buddy Telmo? What happened? AFK? Why have you changed your name? Yeah, you need to fix that, Anna. You need to help me. Alright, so yeah, I don't see it has a link. Maybe this is his website. Alright, so it's mostly like a blog. Or maybe it's not. Start about... Oh yeah, look at Telmo. Hey buddy! Uses. Gear Twitter tips. Yeah, so simple, straightforward. It has by default, so I think, I don't know, maybe by default this should be dark theme. But yeah, okay, and blog post, how do they look? Writings, alright. Yeah, nice and clean, you have that scroll bar there growing. Good, I like that. Okay, we received some links from the chat, let's go over them. So here we have one link from my buddy Ishan. My name is Ishan, software engineer from India. Hello Ishan. I love web development, machine learning, and problem solving. Good. You have the skills. Okay, more about me. Goals. Okay, I like this. Good. Good. Built with, what's that? What's that icon? What did you build it with? I don't know. I'm missing something. Okay, so you have a blog. Next. Oh. Okay, so next is like Gatsby, but for Vue. Nice. Okay, so you have a blog, resources, what is here? Oh, look at you. Thank you for adding my channel there. Okay, nice. So you're ready to, well, get picked up by YouTube, so maybe write more posts. Try to write 1, 2, 4 per month. Should be easy enough to do. Look at that, thank you. I didn't know you did that. Okay. Yeah, 30 days, 30 projects. Good job. Well done. Oh, and you have this integrated. Discuss. Discuss. I didn't know that's... well, I know that's a thing. I didn't know you can add that. Is it easy? Alright, so we received a lot of links now. Let me go over. This is not a portfolio per se, but I did my landing page like this. It's Spanish though. Not an issue. Let's look over. Let's see, can I read it? Bien de input-output como el flujo de todo sistema informático representando las entradas y salidas. I didn't know what I read there, but I tried. You know that Romanian and Spanish are pretty similar, and especially that we have a lot of, not sure how to call those. We call them telenovelas. I don't know if that's a word, a proper word in any language. It is in Romanian, and those are all in Spanish. So usually women here in Romania know Spanish very well from those. All right, so home. Don't know what it says, but you have skills there. You get contact. Oh, okay. As you said, it's not a portfolio per se. Maybe just add a part where you can projects I've worked on. Just an idea. Okay, that was good. Let's see here, Rudix. All right, let's look at this. Full stack DevOps. All right. One thing I see here, maybe this banner is a bit too big. Maybe just, but as I said, I'm not a designer. Just one thing I was thinking. Okay, skills, front end, back end. Whoa, you have a lot of skills. Work. Okay. Oh, where you worked? All right. Full stack cloud consultant. Good. You don't have projects as far as I can see. Maybe on GitHub? That could work too. Yeah, I don't see projects there. But yeah, I think if you had projects, it would be good. Next one. Okay. So Danny. Is it Dutch? Okay, I won't try to read that. Okay, so what's here? Good, you have the contact. I guess this is about you, what you can do, the skills. And this seems to be projects because you have skills and about it. Or skills you have in depth. And you have contact here. Okay, so if this is a project, well, I don't see a link, so maybe in our projects. Medium, Twitter, GitHub, yes, links, that's good. I like that. Goody. Yeah, I don't see projects. Maybe I have some projects. Maybe. There's class. Oh, okay. Yeah, good. Clean. Easy to read. Next up, it's in Dutch. Oh, and you have a matching CV in English. Okay. I planned for my portfolio, but at the end came out with blog. All right. So man as code. Man as code. Oh, it says man as code. It's a personal blog where you can learn Python, Django, JavaScript, and Vue. Oh, okay. I like that banner thing. Maybe just add it after a while. Or, I don't know. Maybe if you scroll a bit more down. But that's a blog. So yeah, there's where to monetize the blog, which is good. Okay. That's interesting. That black thing to see the spaces. Never seen that, so. Alright. It has, oops, so you can only toggle dark and light if you scroll. So maybe add that dark and light here. See, so this button, maybe just put it here. Okay, about. Alright, and contact. Okay, good. It's not a portfolio, it's more like a blog, but sure, it works. If you, maybe you can have another website, which is your own, and then link the blog section from that website to this blog. Maybe, just an idea. Okay. Let's see. So, does anyone know a website? The website of a streamer who makes a website with his head scan got that cyberpunk look. I don't know what you mean. Review my personal, sure. So only send your own websites. Jaden. So we review personal websites here. All right, good. You have about yourself. You have contact me, good. Personal, professional projects. They have links, good. Personal projects on GitHub. Oh, okay. Is this using the GitHub API? If it is, then it's pretty cool. I guess because it has a date there. Bitbucket API, I think. Yes, that's nice. That's nice. Good. Then you have the contact there. Resume. Oh, okay. And Dropbox. Maybe. Not sure how I feel about the Dropbox link. I don't know. I'm thinking. So you have a server to host this. Maybe just put the PDF and link here to go to the PDF on your own server, so it doesn't say Dropbox.com. It feels a bit more professional, I think. All right, good. Let's see the next one. So I'm still not sure whether to move it to blog or portfolio. Or both. Appreciate your views. Okay, let's see. Muhadish.info. That info doesn't sound like a blog domain. So, or does it? Okay, so who am I? Roaming outside the box. Alright, grab a quick copy of my V card. V card is like the resume. Yeah, this is also on Google Docs, but I think it's okay. Oh yeah, so this. I would say you drop the percentages, because so if a reviewer comes or a client, how can they understand like what's 75% of Tailwind, you know? I mean, what can you do in Tailwind? And how do you know that you know 75% of it all, you know? It's not measurable. This is why instead of having something like this, just add the icons. It's visual. And add the icons. Put JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Mongo, Bootstrap, Tailwind, and make sure you put the icons of the skills you know them well enough, so that if someone comes here and I don't know, he wants something with PHP, like project, can you do it? If you can, then add it here, because people came here and checks, okay, what Muhadish can do, right? Okay, he can do PHP, let me contact him. Okay, works. Now what I've seen here is a bit too much space between these, or I think, wait, let me see. So if you click these, yeah, so they scroll, which is good. Maybe add them a bit up. Okay, so you have blog, you have a newsletter, good, 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 good. And you have enough blog posts. I mean enough. It had more than 2, 3. So yeah. Go back to top to use the menu. Oh, or use the menu. Okay, don't think you need that. So if you stop the user here, then yeah, they won't scroll, right? So they will just go up. It's obvious, so I don't think you need this, but as you wish. Okay, let's see. 10% HTML, 20% CSS. The best approach is to show icons of the skills underneath projects using the project. Yeah, that's also a good idea. So when you have projects here, what's this? So works. Now, this is a bunch of images, which is hard to tell what happened here. So maybe group them somehow. I see there are some researching. Oh, okay. Graphic designing. Yeah, this should be fine as of the designs, but maybe for the websites, add some skills, or these are accomplishments. Okay. Works done by me. Yeah, so I was kind of checking for projects, but I think those are like accomplishments. Okay, anyone else with links from the chat? If you have, send them. If not, let's look at other links from Twitter. Olena Drugalia. Okay, home, about me, my CV, projects, blogs, contact. All right, we have an image with some text. It's made with WordPress. Okay, I don't personally like WordPress, but we need to review that too. No, we don't need to review my website. It's not too nice. I'm good at telling others what to do, but not doing. Okay, my CV. Yeah, so see this CV, I mean, it looks like, can you? Yeah, there are images. So it's like PDF then converted to image, which is good. Projects. Now, you see here what happens? Look at that. So that's why I don't like WordPress. It's slow. It doesn't load the icons. Look at how slow it loads. So you always get this. I think once, yeah. So something happens there for the font there, and I don't like it. Or like it's trying to load the font, but then it goes back to default font. So something is not good. I like the initial font, the bolder one. This looks like the basic font on the website. Who knows? Okay, good. Look at my website. I don't have portfolio on my website, so we don't have to review it. It's more like a blog. All right, web dev. Okay, so I'm a vase. How do you call it? A vase? Sorry, bad at naming. Okay, now again, see, so you already are Netlify. Just if you want your website to be used for you to get projects, get new job, stuff like that, then add a custom domain. Otherwise, you don't really need to. If it's just like your own side project, then just keep it there, don't pay $10. But if you want to, if you think this website, or if you hope the website will bring you customers, or customers if you're a freelancer, or jobs if you're working, then yeah, I would do that. I have my website for impop.com from 2013, so 7 years. And I think that's, so I just started programming, and then shortly after I bought my own domain. And I just renew it every, I think I did it for 5 years last time. But yeah, it's it ranks on Google. Google's on rank. All right, good. So let's see. You have what you're doing. A nice photo there. Good. Links, services. Yeah. So from this, I can already tell that you might be looking to provide these services, right? So then add a custom domain. Okay. Yeah. Upwork, Fiverr. Definitely add a custom domain, because you're using this to get clients. And it's not much, so good. Feature projects, a new, okay. All right, you have projects, you have articles. They are all on June 1st. That's a bit odd, but yeah. So, what is it? Some kind of a bug? Yeah. So I see you didn't fix here. This is Markdown. You need a space so that it will work. Yeah, as here probably. Okay, so there are a couple of things you could do here. Now what I see, another thing, is that on home you have services, experience, feature projects, latest articles. And then on blog you have the same articles, and projects is the same projects. Or not. You have 4 projects here. Let's see. Oh, all projects, and here are only the last ones. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, so that works. If you have more projects than only showing a couple on the homepage, good. But as of blog posts, but maybe it's done dynamically, so it will just add the latest 3 articles. That's fine then. Okay, good. And contact, we were here. Good. Good. Next up, not exactly portfolio, just completed my 2 sections of bootcamp, and I made this. I'm Preki, a programmer. Oh, I like that, a programmer. That's clever. Okay, my skills. Good. Now, one thing. Yeah, I know you're good at cooking, but there's someone who wants to hire you as a developer should care. You know, as a personal project, sure, it's fine. You do put anything you want. This is just as a review if you want to have a professional website. It's good. Maybe add I'm good at cooking as a hobby or something. I'm thinking. What do you think, chat? Should we have cooking on your website? I mean, if it's, so just in case if it's a professional website you want to show to clients, right? She said that she just finished the bootcamp, so this is perfectly fine. But I was just thinking about if you want a professional website. Okay, let's see this. I am not static. Okay, I am not static. Put this on a static website with a custom domain. Yeah, this again. No, don't do this. I know this is used very much in templates on Team Forest. I've seen that. But trust me, you don't want. So you just know half of Git. I can guarantee I don't know a quarter of Git. So then my progress will be somewhere around here. because it's so much things to know and you can't measure it. HTML, CSS, so you know almost all of it. Okay, it's hard to measure it, so yeah. I want someone that knows 80%. Yeah. Okay, 2 years of experience, 5 total clients, award 1, 0. If it's 0, then don't add it, maybe. I feel like this is a template he got and just use it. Services, front end, back end. All right. So just remove this if you don't have awards. Why would you say you don't have 0 words? Maybe you're expecting a word, but yeah. 9 works completed. Okay, projects, good. Testimonials. All right, we haven't seen this. So this is a good thing to add. If you have reviews from clients, testimonials, add them on your website, sure. You can show other clients that, look, I did some good things and this is what they said. All right, so remove this and this just convert it to a list of skills. Okay, good. Let's see in the chat. So why MongoDB and not NoSQL database? They listed SQL database. I don't know. Okay. Technically, shouldn't put anything extracurricular, your age, or even a photo if it's a resume. It's just another way for people to discriminate. Personally, I would keep my resume strictly related to the job at hand. Unless you're a sexy beast. Yeah, I can see. I can see that. So, although it's a bit hard, I've heard this. When you apply for a job, make a resume specific to that job, which is a bit of work, but it could be worth it. I mean, if you apply for front-end React front-end developer, should they see all your PHP projects? I know you might have worked with PHP. I did in the past, like years ago, but they don't care about my PHP skills, right? I mean, on the job, I might get something like React, and then the backend is with PHP, and I might have some skills which could help, but you're not applying for that. That will be just something once in a year, who knows, maybe never. So yeah, I'd see, although it's work to do, I would be too lazy to do that. But I see where it could work to only add the skills and the projects you did, which would relate to the new gig you want or project. Okay. Oh, we haven't looked at the responsiveness of the website, but I think, as I said, we don't look at the design, right? So that should be fine. Okay, let's see, developer. All right, that's one thing I would change. My name is Everardo, a young progressive web developer. All right, so what's this? A broken link. Okay, this is also broken. So these are broken links. Then don't make them links. Okay, HTML. Okay, again. So they feel like they're clickable, but not. Projects. Welcome to Falco Code. Okay, 2 projects. All right. So it's I would say this is a work in progress. Does it say something? No. I would try to add more things on it. Okay, so in the chat says perfecting a resume is overrated. My resume sucks and I never had a complaint. Most interviews I got were from recruiters on LinkedIn anyways. Yeah, that's true. I had that too. So usually I got a lot of requests from LinkedIn until I stopped. There is, I think, a toggle you can toggle off. So I don't get requests anymore. But yeah, having on LinkedIn, I personally don't have a CV. And whenever someone asks, I'm just like, dude, or do that. How do you call the female version? I have LinkedIn. I have my blog. I have GitHub. I have YouTube now. I have Twitter. Well, these two, not everyone might have. Why would you need a CV? Why? I mean, it's just a piece of paper, or I don't know, a PDF. You can just see everything. We have CodePen. We have other things where someone could see what we did, right? But still, some companies want to resume. So, oh well. Did we check this? Oh, it was the next one. Hi, I'm Rohil, front-end web developer. I want a space there. It bugs me. Okay, go down. Now, yeah. Maybe, so it's odd to see those corners a bit. So maybe make it like, well, smaller. Alright, but again, not design. Projects, GitHub preview. GitHub preview. Okay, so you see the code, you see the preview. Sure. About me and contact. Maybe the about me goes here and then, yeah, contact here. All right. Yeah, this site needs, now also this make it 2020. This site needs a bit of redesign. Maybe have someone with design skills, not me, help you. Okay. Let's see this. If you join the stream in the meantime and you have a portfolio, leave it in the chat and I'll look at it. Okay. I'm a polymath. What is a polymath? Is like very good with math? A person of wide knowledge of learning. Oh, that's not what I was. A polymath is an individual whose knowledge spans a significant number of subjects, known to draw on complex bodies. Okay, so it's like very smart, right? Okay. Projects. I know these projects. And these projects are from FreeCodeCamp. Hello, Earl. Legend. I'm not a legend. Experience. Freelance. Founded Samshun. It's a community. Oh, nice. Okay. Good. Education. Alright. Skills. No. Just add them next to each other. Don't add percentages. Resume. Okay, see, so we were reviewed the website before and the review was to Dropbox. So do this. You can see here in the bottom left that this is on this host / some CV. Yeah, CV3. Okay, so it's the third version of the CV. All right, this is not good. And yeah, this, okay, design, a bit of design there. All right, and yeah, this is scrollable. Okay, good. So it's decent. I would work a bit on my design to make it a bit cleaner. I think I missed some at the beginning here. Let me go up fast. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, we saw this, so. Yeah, I agree. So someone in the chat said that I would personally remove the project that everyone and their mother does from code camps, especially from FreeCodeCamp. So because FreeCodeCamp is so widely used now, everyone has the random quote generator, the calculator, the weather app. If you want to have those in your portfolio, make them fancy. That's a fancy word. So improve on them, add more features, make it like the weather app. Let's think. So maybe add animations, so make it very good. I've seen, I forgot where I've seen, so there was a person, there was a girl I've met a couple of years ago. She had a website, and she had the project from FreeCode Camp, but they were like, she took the base of the project, she did the test there, because on FreeCode Camp, for those who don't know, you can do the projects and you have then tests which you need to pass. And what she did is that she went way beyond. So the design was top notch. The functionalities were, well, she added more functionalities, and the project overall was very, very good. So you can see that she not only did the basic from FreeCode Camp, but she added on top, and that was very good. Now I can't remember her name, so we can look at the projects she did, but that's what I would do. Okay. Okay. Can education be added to similar personal portfolio as well as experience in other professions? Yes, I think yes. Education. So if you think of your website as a kind of a CV, sure, you can have a section with education, although maybe it's just on my side. Let me know, chat, if you think the same. Like, education doesn't really matter that much anymore. I mean, I went to college, but who cares? I mean, I've learned 95% or maybe even more of what I'm doing now on my own. So I went to college, but yeah. What I've seen like education be useful, maybe some of the companies require it, which is unfortunate that we still have companies require education. You should be rated or evaluated rather based on your skills, because nevertheless you can go to college, but you still need to learn a ton more after college. So all right, good. Okay, so we got a link here. Oh, from Dan. Yeah, so that's thank you for sharing that, buddy. But let's review projects. If you have a link with your own personal portfolio, they just want you to know basic language math skills. Yeah, exactly. School is a good base, but the private projects or work done is more important. Yeah, that's exactly true. I don't have a degree and I'm a software engineer. I'm taking classes on the side to eventually get my degree, but it's definitely not necessary. True. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that. I did 3 years of college. First year I've learned basics of programming in college that I can attribute to college, because I knew HTML and CSS before, but then in college I learned loops and if and else and like the base of programming, right? Conditions and logical thinking and all that. And I did well in the first year. I got a scholarship, I think you call, in the second year because I did well in the first year. But in the second year I got a part-time job and I messed up. I mean, I messed up in the sense that I didn't go to college that much anymore. And but I still passed. So I was in the first half of the class, but that didn't really matter anyway. What I liked in the third year is that we did some machine learning. So that was fun. Other than that, yeah, I can't remember a lot of things. I still remember we had classes where I wasn't in the class for the half of the year, and then in the exam I just studied like an hour before the exam, which is weird. And I passed, so not a very good thing to do, but oh well, it worked out. All right, let's see. Schwampnil Mashki. I need to learn. Someone teach me how to pronounce names. Scan contact card. Oh, that's something interesting. What's this? Contact card. Like a CV? Proven software engineer. Ooh, proven. Like how? Bitbucket, Stack Overflow, Instagram. Alright, about, and I guess this is about skills. Yeah, so skills. I like this. The only thing I don't like is that rather have icons. I can read JavaScript, HTML, CSS, TypeScript, but what if I want to see? I don't know. If I see the icon, it's more clean. Maybe the page is very busy. Yeah, I think that's the that's the thing. I'd say a bit busy. And so if you have WordPress, then just add this icon, and like people should know that this is the WordPress icon if they want to hire for WordPress. Okay, creations. Wait, there's more. So you have a project and wait, there's more. Our creations are here. Oh, okay. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, so this is good. As someone pointed in the chat, the skills for the projects are good. Experience, where you worked and when, okay. Education, sure. And yeah, add a contact, maybe. That's what I do. Other than that, it's pretty good. Let's see, just a suggestion. Could we see the mobile view also from the next portfolio that you review? Okay, good. So let's see. Hubtesh. Full stack web developer from Raisterstown. Okay. Maryland. Completed the full stack coding bootcamp. Alright, get GitHub. Okay, skills. Projects. Okay. Contact maybe. And that should do it. Let's see the mobile version. Boom. Is it responsive? Yeah. It's not a very complex website, so it should be. Oh, let me close this. It should be responsive, right? It should be easily responsive. Yeah, a lot of white space. I'd agree. I agree. I agree with that. But we're not here to. I'm not here to just design. Although sometimes I see stuff and I can't. Yeah, a lot of white space here also, right? Hi Joe, welcome to my portfolio. What I do? Okay, that took a while to get in. What I've done? I'm not sure why I feel about this slider. Maybe I personally would like a grid of projects rather than a slider. I mean, how many projects do you have? Well, I guess that doesn't really matter, but anyway. Stack, okay. Okay. I guess it's fine. It could be improved, that definitely, but yeah. Oh, we didn't check the the responsiveness. We'll do it on this one. Omar Flores. I'm Omar. I'm likely programming, designing, singing, playing. Okay, playing guitar. Oh, okay. Waiting for a train. It hurts. I didn't see. Making pasta sauce. That's interesting way to see what. Listening to Mr. Brightside. Okay, that's interesting. So you see, it's something that you don't see everywhere, so that probably makes it interesting. Hi, hola. I'm in the third year of computer science honors. Okay. I'm currently working at Google. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is... Oh, okay, it's like a time frame. Okay, check them out here. Projects, okay. So that's another page. Good product begins with a good design. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, so hackathons. I never attended a hackathon. Best one so far in my opinion. Music, yeah, so this is like a lot of things here, not just necessarily something with programming. But that's fine because it's like his own website, right? It has everything about Omar Flores. Oh, I forgot to check that. Let's check responsiveness. Let's see what happens. All right, you broke. Or maybe not. Maybe that's how he wanted it. Although it's a lot of space there. Oh, I think it's full 100 viewport height. Yeah. So that's good. On phone, you'll have something like this. Okay. It feels a bit off there, but oh well. Yeah, I was thinking that too. Okay. Let's see. Fentany.net. Oh, we have .net too. I forgot about that. Fantony. Whoa, that's a nice name. Fantony. It was like Phantom. Alright. About me. Contact details. Languages, frameworks, tools. Check out some of my works. This is a bit harder to read, but okay. Alright. I like this for some reason. But then it kind of loses me. Okay, CV, sure. Yeah. What I would do is to add more details about the projects. Like, I mean, you have the hover over, which is fine, but it's not very clear at the beginning that you have to hover. Although when you hover, you get this. But okay. I saw. Let me show you a nice portfolio. If I can remember the name. The guy worked at... That'd be fine. Let me find it. So the guy worked at a company here in Romania. Lateral. Okay. So can I find it? Boti somehow. Front-end developer. Maybe he's not working there anymore. I want to find people. Botond, I think. Okay, Botond Raduli. Now this is you'll see now a portfolio if it didn't change it. A portfolio which won awards. If I can find it. Botond Raduli. Let's see. EU. Okay, he might changed it. Okay, awards. So he won an award with this. Not sure. This is empty. It had a droid here. Yeah, so that was something. Now look at that. It has picture with him looking up when it's up, like that. Then the skills, top 5%. So yeah, again, this is a bit. So we were talking about percentages, but this is another approach of percentages. Top 5%. How do you know that? But all right. A brands you worked with, the works. Look at this. And whenever you click, you get the skills and some text about it. This is a very good designer. So he interviewed me once for this company. I am the droid you are looking for. Yeah, so this website is old. There. 5 years, 6 years. And it's still the same. So what I want to do, I mean with this is that if you do a good job once, then this could work for years. Although it's a bit slow now, maybe you'd like to update it. But other than that, yeah, pretty good.